All right, guys, so my GoPro died, so I'm going to start off on my iPhone. As you can see, I sanded down the hood. I didn't go crazy. I hit it with 400, then 600 on the DA with a soft interface pad. And I just rinsed it down just because I don't want to create a dust storm in here. I don't have my exhaust filters in right now, so that's pretty much why. This is what the hood looks like when it's wet. This is just Prepsol. As you can see, the hood will look pretty good compared to what it was. It definitely still has its imperfections, but like I said, I'm not going for perfection. The car is not perfect. The hood is not perfect. I really don't even like this hood. So basically why I'm doing this is to sell it, and as you can see, it should look pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and prep this thing and clear it. Excuse the messy ass toolbox. I was working on my car today, but got my clear chroma base, or chroma clear, I mean. Good stuff. It's snap clear, so it doesn't create like a high solids finish. Unfortunately, I left my reducer at my house, or in my truck rather, so I don't have reducer, but that's all right. You don't really need reducer to spray clear. It just flows out a little bit better when it is reduced. I do have my favorite clear here, but I don't have my hardener because I left it in my truck. So it's kind of like a what the fuck situation. But I'm gonna go ahead and let this place warm up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I got the heat going. That bad boy right there, the hot dog. And mix up some clear, or you know, I got it mixed. Wet down the floor a little bit more and start clearing. Should come out decent. It's gonna be a little dirty, but that's all right. A lot of cracks in the resin. I don't care.